when you go for a checkup, you don't know what to expect in a checkup. Like when you, for example, if I go as a layman, all laymen tell me, Asha, you are using sleep now, chashma pehengo. Oh, you have headache, chashma pehengo. Like I am literally seeing sterile people last week in consultations who are wearing glasses because they have headaches. But they can read everything in the checkout. So why are you wearing glasses? I don't know. You said headache. So what happens is, and we never think that acha chashma pehna. After that, what? What is it? What is the cure? Why is my number going up? Why is it that before I could see without it, but now I cannot? It's like imagine you have a pain in your leg. You start being in a wheelchair for 20 years and then you decide, oh, you know what, why is my leg not working? So then you will attract bigger seats. So simple example, when, for example, you get a eye issue for a distant vision, the number keeps going up, the number stabilizes, then either bifocals or right or, 40 now. That's what I want. All those Mahapunga Maharishis are wearing glasses or 100 years old. None of the villagers have glasses, but you're higher courting. The moment you start wearing bifocals, it develops to a cataract or glaucoma. And then you're about, you know what is 60, no? Your eyes have become bad. And my mother at the age of 60, in a report was told she used to do cataract, but with the same thing it was written, she has a 6x6 vision. So where are we going wrong? We don't know what to expect in a checkup. So first is these are the factors that determine and bring down the eyesight. Second is when the eye is going down, it gives a signal. For example, if I run 10 kilometers, if my leg is limping, I know there's a pain. So what is the sign that the eye will give you? It either blinks a lot, rubbing of the eyes, excessive water, excessive blinking, redness, infections. You feel that there's something happening in the eye, heavy or eyes. These are signals. When this happens, naturally I go for an eye check. Now everybody knows the blood pressure cannot be more than 90 by 120. If the blood pressure goes up, you know that this is not how it should be. So for eyes, always remember the measurement is 6x6. It's an handling measurement, which means at 6 meters, individual eye, I should be able to read the last line. If you can see, don't go into drops and glasses. Just say, okay, you know what I can see and move again. So yeah, the point of this is to educate everybody with glasses because trust me, we're headed towards a disaster. Number of patients I get who are literally losing eyesight is shocking, which I've not seen in 15 years. So yeah, everybody is welcome to the Eye Yoga Center. We have an Instagram thing. Have a look and I'm happy to share. Thank you everyone. Thank you.